What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Tuesday, guys! Oh my God, it's February 2nd. I am so happy. I absolutely love this month. Oh my goodness. So as you see, we have the lovely new backdrop. I really wish the other hearts would show really good because you guys can't really see it, but they're up there. But it's so pretty. I love this. You know, the 2021, I can never use that again. So I'm really happy that I was able to, get a backdrop that I can use again. And guys, because I already know you're going to ask me, what's on my eyes? It is a brand new palette that I've never tried, but I bought it. It was $5 and I got it at Burlington and I am shocked. I am blown away. So I heard BB makeup was good. And I think I did a review on my channel of BB makeup like 2 years ago. And I honestly cannot remember. This palette is bomb. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. $8. $8 for the palette. BB Floral Flirt. I got it around Christmas time. 20 shimmers and matte shadows. Look at this. You would think this would be like, this is a great beginner's palette and you would think that this would be garbage. Look how pigmented everything is. I'm loving the glitter. I am loving the, oh my God. So this color right here, peony, or whatever, peony, amazing. So I know a lot of you guys always ask, what are you wearing, Samantha? So now you guys know. It's this today. So, and then on my lips, ooh, bumping y'all already, bump. And then on my lips, I am wearing, the Buxom lip gloss in Jacqueline. Very beautiful. I left that on the bed though. But as you guys see, I have my heart earrings, my heart necklace. I don't have my heart ears on yet, but I have on my XOXO red. I'm blending in with the background. So y'all already know it's time. It's time to start doing some Valentine's Day giveaways, but not in this video. So this is the video where I'm going to tell you guys who won my last giveaway video, which by the way, all the rest of that giveaways, everything, Christmas giveaways, people that bought stuff, everything went out today already. Gone. So all that should be on its way to you guys. I did talk to the mail person this morning and they said that they are not 4 weeks behind anymore. They're only 2 weeks behind. So, and then y'all are, snowed in somewhere, stuff like that sometimes. So I honestly don't know. Just know that it's on its way. That's what I can tell you guys. So I woke up this morning and I was like, because I drank last night. And I was like, okay, it's time to get my little ass up because today is the day. As I was getting ready, I literally felt like a Disney princess. Like the songs and stuff and everything, like, I'm finally getting married, or today is the day, or da-da-da, you know what I mean? Like one of those songs where the princesses are like, today is the day, da-da-da-da-da-da, you know what I mean? Coronation day, something like that, And that's what I felt like this morning because I am so excited for today. As you guys know, right now I'm about to announce the winners of the 2021 giveaway. Then my next video will be the Valentine's Day giveaway. And then we will have my merch, honey. I have been waiting for this day to be able to say Sweetie Squad merch. I've dreamt it ever since I started YouTube. I was like, I'm going to have that merch someday. I will have my own merch. And today is the day. So I'm so excited. I was like, I gotta look good for my day. Wearing the Jeffree Star, stripper, whatever the heck it is. The silver one that was from the Blood Money. I love it. And I'm really loving my look today. Very pretty. Now, I told you guys last night that there are some weight loss gummies, and as you see, they give you really good energy. I'm going to do a whole video on that, but I want to reach out to the company first because I want to talk to them a little bit about a couple of other things. Maybe I could get some stuff for you guys. So that video will be coming probably like next week. But I don't know. I'm in a great mood. Today's a good day. It's great to be alive. Blessings, blessings. And also remember, I don't care when in the video you put them, but don't forget to put your favorite quote. Any kind of quote you want. I love, yesterday I actually wrote on my youth's whiteboard that remember always that your blessings are bigger than your problems. And they were like, really? That speaks to me. Yeah. So see, quotes they really make you think about things. You know what I mean? And I'm just all about positivity. So I'm really happy that I've decided to bring this into my channel. I want to really thank my subscriber for mentioning that. So thank you so much. You know who you are. And yes, we're going to start doing quotes on here. Now, if I forget to like ask you guys to do quotes, like I apologize. Remember, this is something totally new to my channel. So it's something that's going to have to get embedded in my head. So real quickly, I'm going to remind everybody what I'm giving them, and then I will announce the 3 lucky winners. As you guys know, I do not pick. Okay, I don't pick my winners. I do a random comment picker, and it just, and boom, it picks my people for me. So, you know, gotta be fair, you know. And then also, if you won like my last giveaway, clearly you're not entitled for the next one, because yeah, that's just not fair. Everyone should get a chance. Okay, so, but I mean, I'm not saying like never again can you win, but you can't win the right after one. That's what I'm trying to say. So we have that coming today. We have video, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it today. If I do, it won't get posted until Friday or tomorrow, you know what I mean? But you guys said you guys want a review on Jeffree Star's a new lip gloss and a couple of other things that I saw on his Instagram. So I definitely said I would do a video on that, because I was like, do you guys, forget even asking, you guys are all like, yes, please. So I just real quick want to just tell you guys what I did last night after I went to bed. I mean, after I hung up with y'all. I tried to watch Cruel Intentions, because you guys know I love Sarah Michelle Gellar. You know, Buffy, that's my girl. But the actress is who I love so much. Tried to watch it, couldn't watch it. Realized I had to update my payment. Updated my payment so I could watch it today when I'm folding laundry or whatever. And then I was like, well, what should I do? I think I watched Buffy on Facebook. I think that's what I decided to do, because yeah, everything's a little fuzzy. But I'm pretty sure that's what I decided to do. I don't remember watching a movie on TV. So I think that's what I decided to do. But I will watch Hansel and Gretel and Labyrinth this weekend. Definitely. Okay, so clearly this was a humongous intro. We're going to just jump on in and remind everybody what I'm giving y'all. So, where is my bog? My bog. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, so the Valentine's Day one, I cannot wait to announce that. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait. But right now, we're going to show you what I got you guys for 2021. So this is the little giveaway that I put together for 2021. It is I got 3 of these different flavors, different scents. I am hyper today. I'm on like cloud 25. I am so hyper. I need to know what to eat for lunch today. I think I want sushi. Okay, so we have the peppermint sweet and shimmer. We have the sugar cookie sweet and shimmer. And we have the gumdrop, okay? And with that, I got the matching wipes. One of my wipes must have fell out, because I only got 2 in here. Girl, I don't know. Okay, so we have the gumdrop, and we have the sugar cookie, and we have the other one. I think it's in here. Yep, it is. And we have the peppermint. And then we have the palettes. And I just thought that these were just so cute and precious for a giveaway. I don't think I've ever... I think I did. Oh, I did the peach and avocado one, and you guys love that. And that was for my summer giveaway, and you guys really, really like that. So I thought this would be really cute for 2000, you know, little like to-go palettes. You know what I mean? Throw these in your purse and be on your way. So I got the I Love Revolution Rose Gold Chocolate. I got the white gold, and then this is wait, this one's my favorite. No. Yes, the rose gold chocolate's my favorite. And then I got the Rocky Road. So I have this one, but I ended up getting obviously 3. Now for the Valentine's Day giveaway, it's only going to be 2 winners. I'm sorry, but money don't grow on trees. But anyways, oh my goodness. Okay, time to get serious. So the winners of, and I'm just going to read them off, okay? I'm going to read them off, and then I'm basically going to just tell you, you know, oh, you get this, whatever. So, the first winner, and please make sure that you contact me on Instagram at Samantha Sweets 100. If not, you can find me on Facebook, Samantha Sweets, and I can get my get your goodies to you. So the first winner is Peter Rook. Congratulations, Peter. I think you're one of my new subscribers. I'm not really familiar with that name. So congratulations. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and welcome to the Sweetie Squad. So congratulations. You will be winning the Rose Gold Chocolate with the wipe and the matching lotion. And, oh, a lip gloss from the vault. Okay. The next winner is Stacy McCurdy. Congratulations, Stacy. Girl, I was wondering when you were going to ever win one of my giveaways. She's the one that always calls me Rocky in the comment section. She's amazing. Congratulations, girl. See, is bound to win sometime. And you are winning the white gold palette with the sugar cookie wet wipe and the sugar cookie lotion. And last but certainly not least, Jessica Nicole 89. So congratulations. I'm not really familiar with that name either. So you're probably one of my new subscribers. Hi, welcome to the Sweetie Squad. Hope you're in it for the long haul because this is such an amazing channel. And you'll be winning the Rocky Road with the Gumdrop makeup wipe. And the lotion. Yeah, I'm giving y'all wet wipes. Yes. Okay. Wipe the fanny. Okay, just a minute right now. Who had coffee in their mouth that went all over their phone? Oh my gosh, I am so hyper. Woo, these gummies rock. I can't wait to do a video on this because I can do the Tootsie Roll. Anyways, those are the winners. Congratulations. Please get at me. Like I said, I love hearing that you guys love, you're excited you won. Put it in the comment section and let me see your guys' quotes. I can't wait to see some quotes today. I will see you guys on the next video. Look at his dimples. Look at them dimples. All right, guys. See you in the next video. I can't even end the video. I'm just like, what is going on today? As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets.